Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is cryptodad. In this video, I'll be showing us how to claim the Enjin NFT. I will be showing us how to claim this particular NFT and how you can list it on the Enjin marketplace. And you can also send this NFT to another wallet. So you can send this NFT to another wallet. You can list it on the Enjin marketplace, and you can also do a network migration. So I just received this NFT now. So I'll be showing us how to claim this NFT. So to claim this NFT, I drop a link in this video description. So you just have to click on the link in this video description. So when you click on the link, so you'll be seeing a barcode like this. So this is the barcode we'll be using to claim the NFT. So you just need to download the image. So I've downloaded the image. So I'll just be going back to the Enjin app. So for you to be able to claim this NFT, so you need to register on the Enjin app. So I also drop a link to register in this video description. So when you register, this will be the first display. So to claim the NFT, so you just need to go over, so you click on that. So when you click on that, you'll be seeing the scan QR code. So you just need to click on this. So when you click on that, so you'll be asked to scan the QR code. So you just need to choose this place. So you need to click on this. So you'll be choosing the QR code from your gallery. So you just need to click on that. So you have to select the image you download. So you just select the image. So when you scan the QR code, so you'll be taken to this place. This is where you'll be claiming the NFT. So you'll be seeing receive at this particular site. So you just need to click on receive. So immediately click on the receive. So the NFT will be added to your assets. So you just have to come over to assets to check the list. So this is the NFT I just claimed right now. So for you to list the NFT, so you just need to click on this. So you click on this. You have to click on this icon here. So you have to click on the icon. So when you click on the icon, you'll be seeing the send item, you see melt item. So you see sell, you see details, you see share. So for you to sell the NFT, so you just need to click on sell. So let's say I want to list the NFT. So I just click on sell. So I'm asked to enter the amount I want to sell. Let's say I want to sell it for 500 worth of this particular cryptocurrency. So I'll be getting $715. So I just need to click on this next step. So you'll be seeing at this particular site, the NFT will be listed on the index.io marketplace. So, and also you'll be charged a fee of 2.5%. You see the amount you receive. So you will receive 487.5 worth of this crypto. So if you are satisfied with the amount, so you can just go ahead to click on list asset for sale. So guys, thanks for watching this video.